Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Mackenzie, ND, Dunn, ND, and Richland, ND, beginning at 2:38 p.m. and ending at further notice. At approximately 2:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, multiple 911 calls have been reported that there are 5 random flag creatures that are roaming around the cities and counties of Mackenzie, Dunn, and Richland. It is unknown if they are hostile or not. All residents in these areas should lock all of their doors and windows in case if they are hostile. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
Now you try. First, get a jar. Patrick, that's a...
Emergency update. The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Dakota Emergency Management Agency and the North Dakota Police Department. This is an update from the local area emergency that was issued at 2:38 p.m. Central Standard Time. At approximately 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, the update about the flag creatures has been identified. They are known as the object flags. The Object Flags is a show that people make on YouTube, but it is still not confirmed that if they are hostile or not. Keep your windows and doors locked at this time until further notice. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hello, my name is Michael, and I am here to give you news for the North Dakota state. Do you guys remember the emergency alert system alert that civil authorities had to issue a civil emergency message? Well, the situation kind of got worse. Why? Because there are 5 flags and one of them is hostile, and that one is Spain. But the rest of the object flags are nice, and they are identified as USA, El Salvador, Japan, and United Kingdom. 4 of them are nice except for Spain. Spain might have a massive rampage in North Dakota, and they might be affected for the following counties: Mackenzie, Dunn, and Richland. And if Spain has a rampage, civil authorities will have to issue an evacuation immediate for these counties. That's all the information I have right now. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next news.
Oh, are you ready? Yes. Run that way.
message is transmitted at the request of the North Dakota Emergency Management Agency and the North Dakota Police Department. This is an update from the 5 object flags from the news earlier today. The object flag Spain is going on a massive rampage across the counties of McKenzie, Dunn, and Richland. All residents in these areas should evacuate now. Gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for more updates on this life-threatening situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Police Department and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for the entire state of South Dakota. At 8:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a missing child has been reported 28 minutes ago. The child name is Isabella Lopez. She's a white female. She is 4 feet and 4 inches tall. She is weighing 65 pounds and has brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing light blue jeans, a pink t-shirt, white sneakers, and carrying a purple backpack. The police believe the child is in grave danger. If you have more information about the child, call 911 immediately.
Welcome back to the North Dakota News. I am Michael once again to give you your news, and we unfortunately have bad news about the object flags. The bad news is that Spain has sent 3 nukes or missiles to the affected areas from the last breaking news, and if you are in McKenzie, Dunn, and Richland, you need to seek shelter now, or whenever the emergency alert system goes on, civil authorities will have to issue a civil danger warning for these areas. Unfortunately, this is not a good time to be happy. But if there's an all-clear message, we would all be happy again. But yeah, that's all I have for now. See you soon for the next news, and stay safe.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Dakota Emergency Management Agency and the North Dakota Police Department. The Spain object flag has sent 3 nukes to the following counties: McKenzie, Dunn, and Richland. If you're in these counties, seek shelter now. Do not wait to seek shelter. Waiting to seek shelter will put you in certain death. Gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. If Spain breaks into your home, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Now there will be consequences.
Ah? Policensis, mi molo!
Hey!
Child abduction emergency canceled. Isabella Lopez has been found safe. Child abduction emergency canceled.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating input for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Good morning, my fellow Americans. But now it's not the time to say good morning, because this is a national emergency. The Spain object flag has sent 20 nukes for the following states: Michigan, North Dakota, South Dakota, North Carolina, South Carolina, New Mexico, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Nevada, Arizona, California, Illinois, Minnesota, Alabama, Texas, Maryland, Maine, Oklahoma, Kentucky, and Indiana. If you live in one of these states, you need to seek shelter now. Get supplies that might last you for 14 days or more. This includes food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. And please stay calm, as there's no need to panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. Fortunately, it does not escalate to Alaska and Hawaii. But the situation is more important than that. We can try to stop Spain from all of this crisis. He also even sent nukes or missiles to explode the counties of North Dakota. And we also got a little help of the object flags that are the USA, El Salvador, UK, and Japan. But please, like I said, do not panic. We will fight for a country until we stop, and we will never give up, because this is the United States of America, and we don't give up. This includes my message. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.
Thanking you in my managerial acceptance speech today.
clear. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an all-clear message. Spain has been defeated by the United States government and the rest of the object flags. It is now safe to get out of your shelter. However, 20 states were being damaged by the following states in the emergency action notification alert. Repeating, this is an all-clear message. Regular programming will resume.